There's a reason why certain homes make you stop scrolling. Located in Scottsdale's magic zip code with luxury finishes. Let's see if this home checks all your boxes. From the moment you walk in, this home just feels different. White oak cabinetry, Taj Mahal quartz, wide plank flooring, a custom limestone fireplace, and designer level finishes throughout, plus a brand new roof and own solar. But what really sets this home apart is where it sits. You're just 5 minutes from Kierland Commons and Scottsdale Quarter in one of Scottsdale's most desirable school areas on a quarter-acre lot. And if you've got toys, this is the one. Dual RV gates means there's more room for your boat, side-by-sides, or trailer without an HOA telling you what you can and can't do. Comment Paradise for more info.